Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to show you how you can set custom artwork for your games on Steam. So I initially thought that this was something that you could do by just right-clicking them in the left-hand sidebar, because I've got my favorites here at the top. And when I right-click them, you'll notice under Manage, there is no option to set custom artwork. Instead, what you have to do is either click your favorites tab, or you can click on your installed games tab, and this will bring up the little sidebar here in the middle. Well, I guess I say sidebar, but it's the main library in the center here, where you can hover over and look at all of these games that you currently have installed. And from here, where they've got all these large icons, not the small icons in the sidebar, you can right-click them and go to Manage, and then here you can set custom artwork. If this option is still not available for you, because I also had that problem, you may need to disable or re-enable the Steam beta version in order for this to show up. So once you do that and you see the set custom artwork, I'm going to click on it. That's going to open up a little pop-up window for me to direct Steam to where I'm storing that artwork. Which one did I click? Was it Abiotic? Go to Set Custom Artwork. I'm going to go to my Downloads folder where I have an alternative Steam art folder. And in here, I have a folder called Icons. And these icons are supposed to be around 600 by 900. But if you keep that aspect ratio, it can be a little bit larger. So inside of here, I put together a few sample artworks just for shits and giggles, where I can select them and add them to my library. So I have, like, from one of the first alternate dimensions in Abiotic Factor, this one's the scientist that's stuck inside of a plant. Then I've got one for Alan Wake. We'll set custom artwork. This one's from the remaster artwork. Then we've got one for Among Us, because of course you do. I found a nice wallpaper that someone put together for Among Us, and I trimmed it a little bit. And then I also made one for Counter-Strike, just because I've been staring at this icon for years, and I think it could use a little bit of a fun refresh from another artwork that somebody put together and put out for free on the internet. And that's it. That's all you have to do. Now you can just click on these, and it'll take you right to the game page where the rest of the information is, just like a normal button. The only difference is that now, when you click on the installed games section, or whatever section the game is currently stored in, you can make custom collections as well. You will see your new custom artworks. And if you want, you can also remove the custom artwork by hitting Clear Custom Artwork at any time, and it will revert it back to the default. And that's it. That's all you got to do. If you're curious how you can make these yourself, all I did when creating these was I opened up Photoshop, and I created a new folder file that was 600 pixels wide by 900 pixels tall. And then I created that. And then this was what I used to crop my images. I just grabbed my artworks in a little folder here, and I dragged and dropped the one that I wanted to edit. And then you can just sort of align it however you want. Like, maybe you like this character on this side of the artwork. Maybe you like these guys. Maybe you want to split the difference that he's just like in the corner winking at you. You can do whatever. And then you just save that out as a JPEG or a PNG file, and then you can upload that to Steam. So that's it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you found this helpful. This has been a brief look at how to add custom artwork to your games on Steam, and I'll catch you later. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.